Earn $10 again and again by clicking images. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn $10 again and again by simply clicking images. This is a super easy way to make money online. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this and real examples also, so you can get started right away after you watch this video. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you how you can earn $10 again and again by simply clicking images. This is a super easy way to get started, to make money online with. So what you need to do here is actually pay attention and watch the whole video. Don't skip on anything, because if you do so, you might miss on any important information that I'm going to share with you here, and then it won't work for you. So pay attention, stick till the end here, and see exactly on how you can earn $10 again and again by simply clicking images. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can earn some easy money online by simply clicking images. Let's get started. Alright guys, so first let's have a look at some details here so we have an idea on how this works. And by having a quick look here, you can see Design Confidently. Usability Hub is a remote user search platform that takes the guesswork out of your design decisions by validating them with real users. That is of course what you are going to be, a real user here. You can see that they have a great reputation. They have companies like Amazon, Google, really impressive actually, TaskRabbit, Airtable, Box, GoDaddy, Asana, that have trusted actually this company here for getting their images clicked and tested out. So basically you can see here your user research Swiss Army knife. Okay, first click tests, test interaction with first click and navigation test, design surveys, preference test, and 5-second tests. All kind of tests here. And I'm going to explain to you everything in detail here, so bear with me, don't skip on anything as I said earlier. And if I scroll down a little bit here, you can see effortless validation for design professionals, test interfaces, interaction flow, iconography and more to help you create intuitive and delightful experiences for your users. So this is actually, they ask you to click on an image, which is super easy, and they want feedback actually, so they can improve the websites or whatever it's going to be there that they are launching. Alright, optimization for marketers. You can see here fine-tuned landing pages, messaging and creative help you optimize conversion rates, or marketing experts and product launches. Here is a testimonial from Philips, another big company really. So I mean, they do have tons of good companies that have trusted this site here. Now basically how it works, let's have a closer look at the details here. So we can see here product, customers, pricing, resources. I'm going to show you here some examples, okay? So if I go here first to the first click test and I open this in a new tab, they do explain here the click analysis. So I'm more than just the heat maps. So they see they are getting some heat maps here to see what you actually click on when you take these tests. So basically, let's have a look at one of these tests here. Okay, how quickly can users find information on my website? Let's open this up. So first, they do explain a little bit here how quickly they can find information on my websites. And we can view the test results here, but let's say that we want to take this test. I'm going to show you how simple this is. Okay, so we have been invited, and let's click the start here. You're broken down on the side of the road and need emergency assistance. Find the phone number to call. Click on the image to carry out the instructions or complete the set task. Okay, so you just click here to view the image, and you're scrolling down, and you click anywhere now, whatever you find, if you find what they ask you for. Okay, so I'm just going to confirm a click here. Okay, how easy was it for you to find this information? Extremely easy, and you hit the continue. And that's it. So it took like 5 or 6 seconds actually to do this. Super easy. They ask you to click on somewhere on the page, and that's it. They ask you a question and you answer one of the 5 or 6 questions there. Let's move on here and let's see actually if I go back here, design surveys, they have the preference test. So let's see how a design survey can look. And if I scroll down here, they do explain the details. How does a design make you feel? So let's have a look at this. They do explain exactly as you saw earlier here, but let's get straight to the point here and take the test. All right. So it loads the test here and boom. Okay, so this is a preview. Please select up to 5 words that best describe this image. Okay, your business was born for this. So let's go here. Familiar, friendly, I don't know, trustworthy, and personal, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, creative. There you go. Continue. Have you used MailChimp before? Yes, no, maybe, can't remember. So let's hit the no here. Branding is a term used. Okay, I liked it. And that's it. Okay. So I hope you realize how simple and easy it is. All right. So let's go back here again. They do have the preference tests and they have the 5-second test. This is also very cool. It takes you actually 5 seconds here because look at this. If I go down here, okay, is my website's intended audience clear? So let's go here and let's get straight to the point here. Take the tests. All right. So let's hit the starter. Look at the interface for 5 seconds and remember as much as you can. Boom. Okay. So there you go. And that was 5 seconds. So what is this website for? I think it was actually childcare. Who would find this website useful? Parents. That's it. Did you see how easy it is to take these kind of tests here? Okay, you just click on the images actually and you earn money for that. So what you need to do here is actually click on the become a tester. You go first to Usability Hub, you become a tester, and you will be redirected to usercrowd.com, which is exactly the same site actually, but this is for signing up as a tester. So they do explain here, participate in quick designs, surveys, help make better products and get paid doing it. You can see here, you don't need to be a usability expert to participate, and you saw earlier how easy it was. In fact, most test creators prefer ordinary people over professional designers and developers. You get paid for each response. Once you accumulated at least 100 credits, you can request a payout. So that is $10 there. Now you can see here that they pay out 10 cents per credit. Most tests pay 1 to 2 credits per response and some pay more. So it goes pretty fast actually if it takes 5 seconds to do one of these tests. So of course you can request your payout when you reach the $10. So that is how you make $10 again and again. And you get actually real-time notifications there as well. So what you need to do is just become a tester now, fill in your details, and you will be redirected and get instructions on how to get started with this site. Now, the problem with these and a lot of other sites is that you are not going to get rich with these sites, okay? They don't have so much opportunities that you can earn a full-time passive income, for example, okay? And that is why I have my #1 recommendation right here below on how you can make a full-time passive income online. Now, passive income is you make money while you sleep, you make money while you're out on errands, for example, you do your shopping, while you're on vacation. That is how you build a passive income, a real sustainable online business. You set up a system and you let it run for itself afterwards there. And that's exactly what my #1 recommendation is right here below. So I highly suggest you to have a closer look at it when we finished here. If you got some value, I appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channels that you see here at the end screen. You'll find 2 of them and both are related, so make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're going to find another Make Money Online recommendation here at my end screen right now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.